This is the clothes. I've already cut it out, but I will still show you on how I went about it. So you fold it this way. This is like cutting the front and the back together. You take your measurement from your center back to where you want the sleeve to fall into. So this one is 15. The arm side is 9. So take the bust measurement. The bust measurement is 10 plus 3 inches. That's 1 inch for sewing and 2 inches for ease. So from there, you just curve it out. The waist, take the waist, then take the hip. Anything, the normal measurement, you add 3 inches. So this is the pocket. I have 4 pieces. .5. Then from this way you have 9 inches. I just made a curve here. So right now on the fabric, the gown fabric, from the shoulder you have 6.5 as the waistline. Then you add more 2 inches, which is 18.5. So right now we'll give a notch. Okay, the back of the gown, the neck depth is 1 inch, while the front is 3 inches. Then have an opening of 4 inches. Remember, the shoulder doesn't have slant, so you just have to cut an interface. So right now it's time to put the pocket. So this is the front part of the gown, and where we notched, we're placing the pocket, the front part of it, on it, the front to front. Now place the pocket there. So you do the same on other 3. Make sure the pocket side face front to front before you pin down. So I've put the interface, and this is the back of the clothes. See the pockets facing each other, front facing front. So right now you just have to sew with 1 inch this way around the pocket. Down to the hem, then you hem the down part. Do the same on the other side of the gown. So right now I would want to put a band. So measure the sleeve length, which is 9 inches. So I'll pick another fabric this way, fold it, it will be on fold. Now mark out 9 inches. Then I want to make use of 2.5 inches band, so I'll just mark 5 inches so that I'll fold later. The other side of the sleeve, I'll be using the same fabric. So I'll place the one that I've already cut on the fabric that I want to cut out. I'll just fold into 2. So right now this is the sleeve. After folding the band, I'll place it this way. I'll place it on the wrong side, then sew and flip it. This is it. I've done sewing it on the wrong side, so I'll flip it this way on the right side. So now it's time to join the sides. So this is what it looks like. There's the band, there's the other one, the interface. You have to iron it very well. There's the pocket. That's all for now. Bye.